how to make a list in Word program. If you want to learn that, so let's talk about. Hi guys, welcome back. Here is Wali Ahmad Mohammadi, and in this video we are going to talk about how to make a list and design that in Word program. So let's start. First of all, in the previous video we talked about how to align your paragraph in left, center, right, and also how to justify that. And in this video we are going to talk about how to make a list in Word program and how to design that. So let's do that together. I'm going to tell you this issue with an example. Pretend that I'm going to make a list from this ribbon of Word program that we have here. So our list is going to be about the word ribbon or tabs. This is now I will press on this button here, and now you can see that I have a list. Now I can write my first item in the list, the second item, the third, the fourth, and so on. The first item is going to be the file. Here it is. If I press enter, you can see that I have another item, or I can add another item. So now I can add home, press enter, insert, press enter, draw, enter, design, layout, reference, preferences, and mailings, review, and view. The last one is home. Now I want to exit from this list. How I can exit that? The only way you can do that is press enter, and then the next time press enter. Now you can see that I have exit from the list that I had before. Now I can write anything here, so I'm just going to write a paragraph or a sentence you can add. That's just for testing. The next section, there is some time that you want to add something that belongs to an item, or it means that you have a list and an item of another list. So I can say that it is a sub list. How can you do that? It's very simple or easy. I have a list here. I want to add a sub list of clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, and editing. How can I do that? Just I will come at the end of this item, press enter, then press tab. You can see that now I can make a sub list or sub item of this item in the parent list that I have in my Word and in this file. The first item is going to be clipboard. I will press enter. The second item is going to be font. The next item is going to be paragraph. The next one is going to be styles and editing. And the last one is add-ins. Now, if I have another list or a sub list in one of these items here, I can add that same as I did it before. So, for example, if I have a list or an item in here, or in font item here, just I will press on enter, then tab, and this is going to be the same as others. So I'm going to add bold, underline, just for example, and so on. So that was our list. Now if I want to design that, if I do not like this design, just I will come here, and now I can add none. It's going to be nothing. This style, this style, that's based off mine. Let me click on here, and now I can change the design of my bullet that I have. You can see that I can choose from any of these. If I want to have the picture, something like that I have here, if I click on this, now you can see that I have a picture as a bullet in my list. So you can do that yourself. It's very easy. Just you'll press here and then define bullet. Now you can add symbol, picture, and font. It's yours. What do you want to add? Let me add a picture. Work offline. Now I'm going to add a picture here. I'm going to go to Drive E, PC background. Now I have this. Let me pick a picture. That picture is okay. Insert. And now, okay. Now you can see that instead of the bullet I have before, now there is a picture here. There is some time that you want to use numbers instead of using bullets. You will come to this part, and now you can use any type of number that you want. It's based on your choice. There is some time that you want to change both this, you want to change the design or the bullets of the parent list and also the sub list that you have yourself. So you just come to this part, and now you can choose any types that you want. For example, I need this one. You can see that it have changed, and also I can use this one too. This is based on your choice. What do you want to add? Now you can see that it's become a heading. Inshallah, in this next video we are going to talk about next sections is going to be the style and how you can make headings yourself. So I will Ctrl Z that here to go to the previous action that we did, and now you can choose from any of these that you want. Even you can change the list, change list level, and there are so many design that you can choose, but I prefer this one. I will click here, and now you can see that this is the style that I have chosen. That was how to make list, and in this video we talked about how to define a list, how to design a list, how to change a list. That was everything that you need to learn about the list. Inshallah, in the next video we are going to talk about these sections. Inshallah, we will see that here. Wish you all the best. Have a great time. See you in the next video. Goodbye.